How to block channel on YouTube. In this video, I will show you how to block a channel on YouTube. First of all, open up your YouTube app. After you open up your YouTube app, as you can see now, for now, if you want to block a channel on YouTube, as you can see now, here are all the videos that, for example, YouTube used to send you by default. So by default, every video on YouTube has every channel on YouTube has to see all these videos. So in order to block the channel, how can you do it? So in order to block a channel, all you have to do now, just go and search for the channel that you want to block. So for me, let's say I want to block like this channel. Let's scroll all the way to down. Let's say for me, I want to block like this channel. I want to block this channel. So in order for you to block this channel, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot beside the channel. After you tap on this three dot beside the channel, as you can see now, in this section now, YouTube doesn't give you an option to block the channel. So now I'll show you how to do it. So now close the channel, close this section, and tap on the channel name. As you can see here is channel name, so tap on it. So after you open the channel name, as you can see now, it will show you option like this, as you can see now. Now swipe to left like this. So as you can see now, in this section around, as you can see now, still YouTube doesn't give you an option to block a channel. So now how can you do it? To block a channel, all you have to do now, go back and tap on this three dot beside the channel. This three dot, tap on it beside the channel name. So after you tap on this three dot, all you have to do now, after you tap on this three dot, now you can tap on this don't recommend channel. So by tapping on this don't recommend channel, now YouTube, you are giving an information to YouTube that they should stop just giving you any information or any video about this YouTube channel. So that's it on how to block a channel. So now if I tap on this don't recommend channel, so now I block the channel forever from my YouTube interface. So whenever I open my YouTube interface, now the channel would not appear on my YouTube. So that is, guys, that's the best method to block a channel on YouTube. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys.